Welcome back to my channel and car update. Subscribe for my YouTube channel. The Rolls-Royce Spectre is an ultra-luxury electric coupe, marking the brand's foray into the electric vehicle market, combining Rolls-Royce's iconic craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. The Spectre embodies elegance, performance, and innovation. Powered by an all-electric drivetrain, the Spectre offers a serene yet powerful driving experience, boasting a range of up to 323 miles on a single charge. The car's design is an exquisite blend of contemporary aesthetics and timeless luxury, with a sleek and aerodynamic silhouette that reflects Rolls-Royce's signature attention to detail. The interior is a sanctuary of luxury, featuring handcrafted leather upholstery, a state-of-the-art audio system, and bespoke wood finishes. Every aspect of the Spectre is designed to provide unmatched comfort, with advanced features such as the famous Starlight headliner that illuminates the roof with thousands of fiber-optic lights, creating an ethereal ambience. Its powerful electric motor generates 577 horsepower, enabling the Spectre to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds, all while maintaining an ultra-quiet and smooth ride. The vehicle's technology suite includes advanced driver assistance systems, a cutting-edge infotainment system, and a variety of customizable options tailored to the owner's preferences. Rolls-Royce promises that the Spectre's handling and driving dynamics will be as refined and effortless as the brand's traditional internal combustion engine cars, ensuring the same level of grace and performance for which Rolls-Royce is known. With a focus on sustainability without compromising luxury, the Spectre stands as a true symbol of the future of high-end electric automobiles.